So my last project was the farmhouse desk. Today's project will go along with that, and it will be 2 wood floating shelves that will sit above the desk on the wall and hold stuff. So let's get started. I started by cutting my 1x10 into 4 pieces 40.5 inches long. This will make the tops and bottoms of the shelves. I cut my 1x4 into 2 pieces 4 feet long with 45-degree cuts on both sides. This will make the fronts of the shelves. For the sides of the shelves, I cut a 45-degree cut, then I lined it up on the top board of the shelf to get an accurate length. I used wood glue and 1.5-inch nails to connect the top, bottom, sides, and front to the shelves. I used wood putty to patch all nail holes. I stained the shelves with Min wax in the color Honey and used 3 coats of polyurethane. I drilled 2 holes in the tops of both shelves and also used a countersink to recess the screw heads. This will secure the shelf to the frame. To build the frame, I started by cutting a 2x3 slightly shorter than the inside of my shelf. I used the table saw to cut the board into 2 pieces. I set up a stop on my miter saw and cut my 2x3 into 8 pieces 7 inches long. Using the doweling jig and wood glue, I attached the 4 7.5-inch supports to the long backboard. This will make the support for the shelf. After marking where the studs were, I used 2-inch screws to attach the supports to the wall. I slid the frame in place and secured with 1.5-inch screws. Thank you for watching, and if you get a chance, check out my fellow woodworker's first video. He does some amazing work, so stay tuned for more from him.